Students, today's topic is about stylistic devices. In background knowledge, I have some questions. In Russian, it will be tropy.
Ornamental lexical means of figurative language or figures of speech, and the Russian linguistic tradition they are the subject found in advertising and everyday conversation.
Let me answer this question. Metaphor is a transference of the language, and it can compare to unlike things in a dramatic, colorful
The comparison of one thing with another thing is to make the description more vivid.
Thank you. Style is a more cautious form of metaphor. It's a comparison of two objects like side. Из души. Узбекча. In Russian. Смотрите, Дженни, какая прелестная собачка. Qanday ajoyib kuchukcha. Procedure is employed if the image has frequency and similar associations, like ray of hope in Russian and in Uzbek. In Uzbek groups, please. Umid uchqunlari. Similar associations. Maybe close to water. Ishlatiladi. И все будет как прежде. At R, she will come back, and we can turn the clock back.
I guess I keep hoping that if we stay right where we are, she will come back and we can turn the clock back. So the translation would be: я думаю, что если мы останемся, и она вернется, и все будет как прежним. I think that.
Using the same metaphor combined with sense and calque translation of metaphor. And please, what is calque?
Calque is a borrowed words which have literal translations.
For example?
For example, skyscrapers.
And it means?
Osmanopar binalar is the literal translation in Uzbek language.
Thank you. In the next paragraph, we'll talk about epithets. And what is an epithet? Please, who has an answer?
An epithet is a descriptive word or phrase we use it with or in place of a person's name to highlight a particular quality, like Alexander the Great or the Ivan the Terrible.
When the sun is just rising, when the sun is just rising, and if now please look at the board, and I have here some sentences. Please.
Okay, here saying the classroom was a silent ocean. Here we use metaphor because we are comparing two unlike things, like saying one thing is another thing. And then as the student said, like small islands. Here we use like, and it is similar. It is metaphor. And feeling how time crept like a shadow, we use like, and so it is smile. Then restless wind, we use here epithet.
Very angry. I can say he was as angry as a wild wolf. I used here a simile as a stylistic device.
Okay. So, now can you change using a metaphor, please?
And now for epithet, his furious voice trembled.
Well, and in conclusion for today's lecture, I will give you the task with paraphrasing puns and allusions for self-study. You should find more examples in Russian, Uzbek, and Karakalpak languages. Thank you for your attention.